Hey guys, welcome back over to the channel. So, do you guys follow the other video I posted? It was a little while ago. I was just looking at to see if my 5.0 engine burns oil. And by looking at it, last time it was a little above the first hole, and now it's a little below it. So it is burning oil. So I'm gonna have to go to AutoZone and pick up just a quart of oil just to be able to fill it back in, because I'm gonna be doing an oil change probably within the next 1,000 miles. So I got the owner's manual right here, and here's the 5.0. So this engine takes SAE 5W20 synthetic blend, so it's not fully synthetic. I thought it was fully synthetic, but I guess it's not. So we're gonna go to AutoZone right now. We'll get just a quart, because it's a little low, as you can see. As long as it's in between these two lines, you're good. It's a little below that. So, and last time it was just at that line, and now it's a little below it, so it actually is burning a little bit of oil. So we're probably like a quart short. So let's go to AutoZone, pick up the 5W20. We're gonna get the Gastro GTX version, and we will put that in. Let's jump right into this. And we are ready to rock to AutoZone. Just get a quick quart. No, we'll turn that off. Alright, let's ride. See what our average mile per gallon is looking like. 15.8. Alright, let's go. And we'll meet you there. Alright. Also had to pick up some wiper fluid because I'm out. And then I also got 1 quart of the Gastro GTX 5W20 synthetic blend. Let's go ahead and get the funnel ready. Let's get this rolling. Let me pop the hood first. So we're gonna do the oil first. Just pop this off. Cap. And I got my funnel right here. And we're gonna go ahead and pour some of this in. Alright, that's good. Let's go ahead and get the cap back on. Okay, there it is, tight. Next, let's get some of this. Got this funnel. That one. Ugh. Make sure you get this this tin foil out. You do not want this going in the oil pan or wiper fluid. So make sure you get all of it. Make sure it doesn't fall into the into the bottle. So that would not be good. All right, now I gotta figure out how to pour this right. And do a little more. There we go. Damn. All right. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and start this up and let it run for a little bit, and we'll get a oil read. All right, so it's been running for about 5 minutes now. go ahead and turn this off. Okay. And let's check the engine. Let's see how we're looking. Let's wipe this off. And there you guys can see, it's right back in the middle again, which is perfect, which is exactly what we wanted. So it looks good. So there you guys have it. So the F-150, yeah, it does burn oil, and it was pretty much a quart short. So these are for the 5.0 engines. I'm not sure about the other EcoBoost engines. Let me know in the comments if you ever had this problem. It's a good thing we got taken care of, because if you don't do your oil maintenance, the vehicle will no longer be around anymore. So if you have any questions, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.